Aneka AG is the market leader for innovative wheel balancing equipment and accurate truck wheel alignment systems, as well as the industrial partner for complete workshop equipment. The requirements on vehicle measurement are high throughout the world. For this reason, with the Axis series, Aneka offers innovative measuring technologies for mobile wheel alignment for commercial vehicles. The wheel alignment system Axis 4000 is the top-of-the-range product. It offers a modern, precise, and quick method of working, while handling and measuring accuracy comply with the highest standards available. The different magnetic holders permit a safe and quick assembly of the wheel alignment holders directly on the steel rim of the vehicle. The quick clamping device ProClamp from Aneka allows you to use the alignment system on almost all commercial vehicle types. The simple handling of the magnetic scales on the vehicle, as well as the wireless camera heads, transmit the measurement values recorded via radio signal directly to the Axis handheld computer. Another highlight of the wheel alignment system Axis 4000 is the software included in the scope of supply, that among other things has different user languages. A predefined vehicle selection is available for simple and quick operation. Once the cameras have been attached to the vehicle with the wheel alignment holders and the scales have been aligned using the software, you can start with the alignment. The clearly arranged user interface now navigates you through the different measurements, step by step. The actual time values recorded are transferred into the system and displayed directly. The sturdy handheld computer offers the user complete flexibility and mobility, allowing a reliable wheel alignment of the vehicle. Using the optionally available nominal database, after selecting the vehicle type, you are provided with the respective nominal and setting values for your vehicle wheel alignment. Thus, you have a quick overview of the condition of your vehicle, and you are then able to carry out the necessary work directly. Longer magnetic feet are available for the wheel alignment holders for the measurement of the rear axle. Of course, at the end of each measurement, you are able to print out the values determined for your customer and yourself. The flexible application areas of the Axis 4000 allow you to cover the entire range in the commercial vehicle sector with only one wheel alignment system. In order to make a precise statement about the current status of the vehicle frame, you have the option of extending the Axis system. Here, the Mobile Frame Measuring System CMC 4000 uses the performance of the Axis series and is the ideal enhancement of your system. The 3D representation of the frame shows you directly any possible damage to the vehicle frame. You and your customer are provided with a significant measurement report here as well. Aneka also has the right solution within the Axis product range for checking the driver assistance systems. In order to check the Adaptive Cruise Control, ACC, the cameras of the Axis 4000 series can be used in conjunction with the special camera. This camera only has to be aligned with the eye of the ACC sensor on the vehicle. The measurement determined is then, of course, displayed on the user interface immediately. You are provided with a significant measurement report at the end of each reading. And, of course, the certainty of having done your best for your customer. Aneka offers other products for smooth running wheels and directional stable axles in order to satisfy the high demands of modern vehicles. Be it wheel alignment systems with radio camera systems or mobile laser systems, or centering elements for balancing different types of vehicle wheels, Aneka offers a diversity of services and products for the area underneath the vehicle body. Convince yourself of our services and profit from our products today. For all information about the Axis series, as well as other business